To start, click Tools in the top nav bar. Under Build Visibility, select Forms and Pop-ups. Click Create. Choose a pop-up or embedded form. We'll use a pop-up for this demo. Pick a template or start from scratch under Blank Templates. The form editor is similar to the landing page editor, but simpler. The right panel has two sections: Edit Settings and Add Elements. Click Edit Settings, then change the background color to match your brand. Adjust the size. 50% and fluid is a good starting point. Update the header with a clear call to action, like sign up for 20% off. Update the paragraph text to reinforce the offer. Style the header and paragraph fonts to match your brand. Click the sign up form element, then adjust the fields to collect the info you need. Under Success View, choose Show Thank You Page to confirm signups. Under Subscription Settings, select the email list for new subscribers. Toggle Send Opt-in Confirmation Email if required in your country. If using an autoresponder, toggle on Add to an autoresponder cycle to send automated emails like the coupon autoresponder we created earlier. Turn on reCAPTCHA to prevent spam. Under Design, update the form to match your brand style and colors. When the content and design look good, click the Thank You Message tab. Update the header and paragraph, keeping it simple. Then, toggle Preview at the top right to check both desktop and mobile views. Make any final adjustments you need after checking your preview. Next, check the preview again as needed to confirm your changes look good. Then, click Next in the top right. For embedded forms, you'll get HTML code to add to your site. For pop-ups, you'll need to set display rules. We'll use Web Connect next to link the pop-up to your website. Click Choose Audience, select who should see the pop-up, then click Save. Skip e-commerce targeting for now. Click Choose Triggers to decide when the pop-up appears. Since our goal is getting signups for a 20% coupon, we'll target engaged visitors. After N seconds, set to 60 seconds for visitors who stay on the site. For after scrolling, set to 75% for visitors reading more than halfway down the page. Then click Save. Now, let's adjust timing rules. Click Set Timing. Under Stop displaying it to visitors who, select Signed Up or clicked a button, then click Save. With display rules set, click Next. On the next page, click Edit Name and give your pop-up a relevant name. This name is only for internal organization, so your website visitors won't see it.